Hello everyone. Today I will show you how to fix Discord stream no sound issue. Many users stream games, but viewers can't hear audio. And it usually happens because of device settings or app glitches. First, check your output device in user settings greater than voice and video. Wrong device means no sound. Step 1, check in-game or app volume. Make sure nothing is muted in System Mixer. Muted apps block sound even if Discord is correct. Step 2, restart Discord. Close it from the system tray and reopen. Temporary glitches often fix audio issues. Step 3, run Discord as administrator. This ensures full access to audio channels. Right-click Discord and select Run as administrator. Step 4, disable Windows exclusive mode. Go to sound settings. Greater than advanced, greater than exclusive mode, and uncheck allow applications to take exclusive control. Some apps lock audio channels otherwise. Step 5, update audio drivers. Outdated drivers can break streaming sound. Update from your manufacturer's site. Step 6, clear Discord cache. Delete cache, code cache, and GPU cache from %appdata %/discord. Corrupted cache may block audio. Finally, check server or streaming permissions. Restricted roles may prevent audio. Confirm with server admin. So yeah, fixing Discord stream no sound is about checking device, volume, restarting, admin mode, exclusive mode, updating drivers, clearing cache, and checking permissions. Follow these steps and your stream audio should work. Thanks for watching. Do like, subscribe, and comment below if this helped. See you in the next one.